Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for South Central Alexander County, Illinois, Northern Mississippi County, Missouri, Southern Scott County, Missouri, North Central New Madrid County, Missouri, until 7:45 a.m. At 7:21 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Morehouse, or near Sykeston, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sykeston, Minor, and Bertrand around 7:25 a.m. Charleston around 7:30 a.m. Wyatt around 7:35 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wilson City, Van Duzer, Gilstad, and Blodgett. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 55 between mile markers 63 and 77. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Mississippi, New Madrid and Scott, and Alexander, Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains